Mounce, BBG, chapter 28, sentence 2. Hopefully you've taken a look at this. Hopefully it was fun for you. It wasn't a big deal, because essentially this is one of those that I kind of look at and go, I kind of want to pick this one apart just word by word, right? So, and part of this is you've got that same exact word that you had in sentence 1 with you thus, or immediately, and hopefully you recognize this enough. Whoa, what happened? There we go. Maybe you look at this and you say, hopefully you recognize it as kradzo, right? And then if you understand kradzo can go to kraxas if you've got the sigma alpha in there, right? So then you've got the again a nominative singular masculine ending, and that would make sense if it's relating to the father, right? So, and hopefully you can spot the father, and not only the father but the father of the child, right? So that's easy enough as a subject clause, but again, the only other pieces are the main verb and what he says, the quote. And pistuo is easy enough, I believe. You can't get too much easier than that. Elegant, hopefully you recognize very quickly now as coming from Lego. Then you see the epsilon nu, you know that it's third singular. You see the augment, and you say, okay, well, I got to know the stem, present stem. And as soon as you get the present stem, Lego goes to arrow, which goes to apon, which is not what we have here. We have Lego. So present stem plus augment equals imperfect. So he was saying, right? I believe. So, piece by piece by piece, if you just do it word by word, this is hopefully a pretty easy one for you, because it's immediately crying out the father of the child was saying, I believe. It's one where I look at this participle, and yes, it's aorist, but again, the main thing is it's an undefined time, and what you have to figure out is its relationship to the verb. And this is one where I would say the relationship to the verb is that it was going on at the same time as the verb. All right. So, he's crying out, and what he's crying out when he is speaking is, I believe, it's kind of the idea here. So, again, immediately crying out, the father of the child was saying, I believe.